Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan, and if you are new here, please hit the subscribe and the notification button. So today I'm just trying out some makeup for my nephew's graduation tomorrow. So just trying to see what look I want to do with a special dress that I'll be wearing. So anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Everybody, so we are going to put on some makeup. I am actually just trying to see what look I want to go for. My nephew is graduating tomorrow, and I know what dress I'm going to wear, but I'm not sure how I'm going to do my makeup. So we're going to play with some new stuff. Some new stuff. I know you're like, that's way too much. You know, maybe I should just do a simple look. So my dress is like a burnt orange color, which I think is going to go fabulous with my hair. Thank you to my friend Audra for passing that on to me, because we pass clothes on to each other. So, yeah. I think what I might do is maybe, baby. Oh, I know you told me not to do that. I'm sorry. So I might go on with this new Morphe palette I got. I talked to you guys about it a couple days ago. It is the Happy Hour palette, and it's kind of got oranges and reds and pinks. So let's just see what that does for us. I was thinking about the Fortune palette, but I think that's more pinks. What in the hell did I get my... You know me, I have problems. So I'm trying something. I have a big umbrella light behind me. I think this might work too. So this is the Fortune palette from ColourPop, but I think I really am going to focus on the other thing for right now. Stick with one thing. Stick with what I know. And what I know is that I need some moisturizer on my face. Betsy's starting a fight. I know you're shocked. So I'm going to go in with these Versailles Unicorn Essence drops. They're just ridiculous, but they smell good. So with that, should we do the Instagram look? Oh, my skin's really dry, which is why I'm using this. I wouldn't normally use something like this to moisturize, but I'm hoping it will do the trick. We'll just let that sit in. They smell good. They smell delicious. So I'm putting my hair back a little bit because it's going to get in my way. So I'll just stick a bobby pin in it, because that makes me look like a little 4-year-old girl. I think my mother used to do that to my hair when I was a child. I'm having flashbacks. Mom, did you do this to me? They used to cut my hair off all the time because I cried when I got it brushed. So that means you were going to get your hair cut off. Betsy is having a field day on the couch. A field day. So it's Friday afternoon. I got off work a little bit early because I was feeling like poop. Crap. Technical term. And I was like, I just need to go home and lie down. But you see where I landed in my makeup chair. So, yeah. Betsy, don't start. Everybody's watching. They think you're a very good boy. They don't know. they don't know. We have some fabulous unboxing to do, by the way, when I get done with this little look. And I'm probably, I don't know, I might do my foundation. I don't know. I had foundation on all day and I'm not sure I want to put it back on. So there's quite a bit of kick up, but that's Morphe for you. I'm just setting it down with the shade right here. Whoa. That shade right there, it's called On the Rocks. And it's making a mess, but I don't care. I don't care. I really do need my other light here. So I think I'm going to go into a transition shade right here. It's called Mixer. Before I really get all crazy with the orange. If I can get past this weekend and some big projects going on at work, oh my god, I'll be fabulous. I feel so much better. See how the powder, oh, I'm so sorry. I'm an idiot. I'm not very smart today. Here, let me fix the camera. Just talking into my mirror like you can see me. Great work, Susan. Way to make sure your supporters are watching you. Okay. So I think I want to go in with this color right here. It's called Snap. And I'm a little bit nervous with it. I'm going to switch over to my Morphe M518 brush. It's just a smaller blending brush. Whoa, yeah. Yes, very lightly. And build, and build, and build, and build, and build. Now, you know, if I go to do this tomorrow, it's not going to look anywhere close to the same. I'm going to zoom in for 1 second. Now, you want to see my big red nose. I don't want you to see. Ugh, that's not the right one. That's not the right one. I went into the wrong one. Which is probably why this went on more pigmented. Even though I wiped my brush off. Alright, so there's this color right here called Rooftop. It's a duochrome. And we are going to try it. See if we need anything with it. Yes, we do. Are you getting tired of... That's way too close. Are you getting tired of using setting spray to put on damn eyeshadow? I shouldn't have to do that. I shouldn't have to. This weekend is Gay Pride Week in DC, and my girlfriend went. Bet she's having a great time. It's always a very fun, positive event, as long as you don't get any haters out there. God darn it. Dang it. I think I need something else. You know, you just know when you need something else. It's too orange. I'm gonna put some brown in here. We're gonna burn it up some. We're gonna kick it up some. I hope I'm on the right eyeshadow. I don't even know what I just did. Okay. So I'm gonna get this is a little tiny eye shading E35 brush from Sigma. I'm trying everything with brushes, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like buying one here from this company, here from that company. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this shade here, which is called Flirt. And I'm going to darken up the outside of this a little bit, if I can. Maybe if I go into Trash Talk. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay. Doesn't matter if I go all the way out on my eye, because I'm going to turn around and I'm going to put some browns in there. Just trying to not make it so orange. Okay, so there's this brown right here. It's called 5 p.m. We are going to take that same Morphe 513. We're going to go into that, and that is really pigmented. Damn it. That's when I needed some dark. Trying, you silly camera. So I have read everything I can find about this camera and overheating, and I was trying something else and it's still overheating. Damn it. Darn it, I mean. Darn. Alright. So I'm gonna put some foundation on and all that, and we'll come back and get a hold of these apples. Alright, I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. So I've got my foundation on and all my other stuff. I'm going back to my eyes. I'm using the Amrezy palette Amrezy highlighter to go into my inner corners because I just love it. You can see I went ham on my face with it. You see me at the moon? Hello, space station. Can you see me? So normally I'm not right in the head today. Not right at all. So, yeah. Put some mascara on. Put something on our... I'm going to put some of the snap on my lower lash line. Or under my lash line, wherever the hell it is. Heck. So, mascara time. Trying to put some stuff away because we're going to do some unboxing. And then another video after this because I got lots of videos to film today. Lots. Or should I say till I get tired? I'm already tired. It's been a heck of a week. I'll probably wear falsies tomorrow, but maybe not. Sometimes the gym where they're having the thing gets so hot. So there are going to be a bunch of people there. It's a really small town. So normally like the class size is under 100. And my nephew's in the largest class. Which is just slightly over 100. But it's record breaking for our small little town here. Alright. Just not to be overbearing, I think I'm just going to put some lip gloss on. This is Spite from MAC. So what do you think? What do you think? We're going to put a little bit, just a little bit, of this MAC charged water. This has got a little bit of flake in it. Whatever that means. It's got sparkly things in it. You see it flying around my camera. Alright. So far so good. Yeah. 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 Alright, we can take this thing out of our hair now, because we don't need it anymore. And I'm gonna let you zoom back out. And here is the look I got. So, what do you think? Perfect for my orange dress. I'll take pictures tomorrow and put them on Instagram before I go, so you can see my orange dress. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Mwah.